Are you the agent that's always looking for the silver bullet or the magic formula to make your business better? Because if you are, I am too. And in the last 12 years, I've sold $500 million of real estate, and I'm gonna give you the one thing that has changed everything in my business. It is the force multiplier that makes everything better. This is something that 99% of agents have never even thought about, and it is the offer. An offer is just simply an exchange, what you give for pay. It could be your service, it could be a product, it could be a TV, it could be a landscaping business. It is simply the thing that you provide in exchange for money. The challenge as a real estate agent is you offer the same exact set of services as all 5 to 20,000 other agents in your market, meaning there's nothing different about you. It's like if you go to the shoe store and every pair of shoes is exactly the same. That is you and your business. And so if I ask you, the agent, what is so different about you that makes you so much better than every other agent in the market? Could you give me a good answer? Probably couldn't. So today I'm going to show you how you can build an offer and stand out from the competition and be just in a league of your own. So first, let me give some examples. We launched a handful of offers in the beginning, and one of the first offers we launched was a very simple buy a home with us and we will give you a free refrigerator upon closing. And guess what? Nobody cared. I spent weeks and months preparing for this and advertising the whole thing, and nobody gave a crap. And so then we tried again, and it started to work. And so then we took that and then we made that better. And what we ended up with was a really amazing offer called our Crown Buyer Program that I'm gonna walk you through. So this is a banner that will be right outside the open house when a buyer walks in, and it's going to say, get $3,500 towards your first home purchase. And then it's gonna say, are you feeling nervous? Because we're gonna cover your first $3,500 for you. Then it's gonna say, do you like to shop? Because our lender has a rate match guarantee. A lot of your buyers are nervous about getting approved because they don't know which lender to go with. So you're actually gonna solve that for them by giving them the rate match guarantee. Then you're gonna tell them when they buy a home with you, Cliff or Devin agent, they're gonna have time to breathe, and their first mortgage payment isn't gonna start for 60 days after they get keys, which, by the way, is just about every transaction. But what you're doing is you're advertising the things that are beneficial that buyers probably don't know about. And then we say, if you're not a handy buyer or if you're nervous about things breaking, guess what? If something breaks in the first 12 months, we will fix it for free. And everybody loves free stuff, which means they're gonna come in, they're gonna be like, wow, so you're telling me if my refrigerator goes out, you're gonna fix it? Yes. And guess what? The only thing you have to do is pay the $50 tech fee to come out and visit your property, and they'll fix everything for you. And you, the agent, you might be like, Devin, how can you do that? And I'm just gonna say, oh, you just buy a home warranty. All you're doing though is you're taking the pain points, the issues that might prevent somebody from making a purchase, and you're actually solving it, which in turn will get you more clients. And you're gonna tell them, if you, Mr. Buyer, have commitment issues and you're nervous about buying, if you buy a home and within the first 12 months, you decide you do not want to live here anymore, and the buyers say, oh my gosh, I can't believe I spent all this money on the house. Guess what? Me as your agent, if you're not happy, I'll sell it for free within the first 12 months. No questions asked. And guess what? We've been running this for 2 years. We have sold 0 homes for free. And if they came to us and they said they weren't happy, it's like, yeah, sure, we'll do it. No problem. We'll cover the photography, we'll cover the staging, everything. Because just by offering this, you are standing out. And so when a buyer walks into your open house, you have something that is so different, so much better than the competition. You are in a league of your own. And then finally, to top it all off, we tell the buyers, if they're worried about these hard credit pulls, we won't do that. We will tell our lender not to do that until you find a home and open escrow. And guess what? You're gonna get so many clients that say, wow, my realtor never gave me any of this stuff. Would you be open to talking about this? How do I apply? That is what a good offer will do, is it will make a buyer walk into your open house and meet you who already has a real estate agent and be like, whoa, honey, we should at least hear this guy out and see what they have to offer, because this is better than what we're getting presently. Now here's a second offer that we rolled out that started doing even better. It's called our Buy a Home for $1 program. It's for VA homebuyers, military. And we launched this and we wrote down all the pain points that the buyers might face. And we knew that military people coming on island, they're gonna wanna move in right away. They're staying in a hotel. So the very first thing we advertise is move in ASAP. Because they're living in a hotel, they need a place to live. They need a roof over their head, so we'll get them keys in 21 days. Then we said, hey, with the VA loan, if we get a seller credit, we can get all of your closing costs paid for. So we advertise, if you buy a home with us, we can get all of your closing costs paid for, meaning zero closing costs for you. We get military guys that come up to us all the time and are like, oh my God, I didn't realize you could do that. To us as agents, we may think of this as not a big deal, but what we're doing is we're advertising things that are industry specific knowledge to the public who isn't aware of it, which means when you tell them I can get you a home with no closing costs, they are shocked because very few people advertise these things. The next thing we do, and we typically mix in a little bit of humor in all of our content, is the happy wife or happy spouse guarantee. Because many military members will come in and give us the objection of, ooh, I don't know, I gotta talk to my spouse or my husband or my wife. And then we can be like, well, guess what? We've got a happy wife guarantee. So if anything breaks in the first 12 months, we'll come in and fix it for free so your wife or husband isn't mad at you and you don't have to wake up in the middle of the night and take care of it. And so what we're doing is we're actually preemptively handling objections before they come up. And so now they have less excuses and more reasons to buy. And so for us, we've been testing a few different offers or compelling reasons why they should buy with us. The first one is we explain that they have privacy and options, whereas many of these military members for us, they might live on base. And so we tell them that, hey, look, you probably don't want to live next to your sergeant or commanding officer who's running the boot camp. Why don't you get your own space, have some privacy, maybe somewhere you can keep your pets. And we can get you out of your hotel faster than you would otherwise, which is going to save you money. And since you have the VA loan, we can actually use that VA loan to pay off some of your debt and roll it in one. That's kind of a sophisticated way you can use their VA loan to help them out on the other side of the transaction. So now you may be asking, Devin, how on earth do I put one of these together? It seems like so much work. Easy peasy, I'm gonna show you, because if you've watched my content before, you know I will never give you a problem without giving you the solution. So here it is. By the way, if you like this content and you know what I'm gonna ask, I need you to do me a favor. Click that black and white subscribe button down there. It helps me a ton. It allows me to make better content for you. And second thing is, do me a favor, take this video and send it to somebody that's a real estate agent that you're like, I think they want to level up and you want to see them grow too. And what will happen is by sending this to them, it's gonna make them take more action and it's gonna make you take more action. So it is a win-win-win. You win, they win, I win. All you gotta do is click the two buttons. Click the button. So here's how you can put this all together by yourself. The 4 parts of making an irresistible offer as a real estate agent. The very first one is I need you to choose an audience. Remember, riches are in the niches. I need you to niche deeper than you think. And for the example of this video, let's say we wanted to focus on military homeowners that live in a subdivision that was built 20 years ago, and we're gonna call it Eva Beach. That's an area here. So start to think about this audience now. Think of who it is. How old are they? What does their day-to-day look like? How long are they gonna stay in this home? What's their family size? And start to think about the pain points that they're running into. Ideally, you live or are a part of this niche or community yourself. That creates more relatability, which means your marketing will work and be more effective. Now, once you have your audience, who you're targeting, whether it's military homeowners in a certain area, it could be elderly home people that need to move in certain old folks' home. It could be first-time home buyers in a given area. It could be just a specific condo building. It really doesn't make too big of a difference, but get really niche down. What you're gonna do next is you're going to choose a distribution channel to attract and advertise and message that audience. For example, let's say you wanted to distribute content on TikTok. We probably shouldn't go after the elder folks who are gonna move to the care home because they're not on TikTok. Same as if you're looking for first-time buyers or renters to become buyers, we probably shouldn't focus on direct mail because we don't even know if they're gonna get the mail in their name, let alone where they live. It's a lot harder to find. So you want to choose a distribution channel that works. Could be Zillow, could be Facebook, could be Instagram, could be Google, or if it's prospecting based, it could be events, it could be open houses, it could be door knocking, it could be expired calls. It doesn't matter how, you just need to do it and know how to do it effectively. Step 3, you're going to choose the messaging that you want to use to make it work. For example, I did the military campaign of buyers. We were at a booth on the Hickam Schofield Military Barracks. So we chose an audience, we chose a location, a distribution channel, and then we chose messaging. So 21 day, move in, happy spouse guarantee. We chose all these things because we knew that the message would fit the distribution channel, which would fit the audience. It's really, you gotta have market message match is what they call it. Now, lucky for you, I actually created a PDF document of every single pain point a home seller could run into. And I wrote down how you can exactly break down and go through the offers. For example, what are the dream outcomes? What do they want to achieve? What is the perceived likelihood of achievement? The time delay, the effort and sacrifice. Straight from Hormozy and Dan Kennedy, by the way. And so I actually listed every single dream outcome for a seller. And then I listed every single possible problem I could think of for the homeowners, such as how do you choose the right agent? How do you know if they're the right person? How do you trust them? How do you choose the right list price? How do you make sure you get the right list price? How do you avoid paying high realtor fees or avoid paying taxes? How do you know exactly when is the right time to sell? How do you make sure your home looks the best and presented the right way? So these are all problems that your clients are going to be facing or thinking about. And so what you want to do is you want to actually solve it for them, or at least show them you can solve it. Once you've taken all of those problems and come up with a bunch of pain points, and then you choose messaging that solves those pain points. For example, military is in a hotel and they don't have a place to live, so we'll get them keys in 21 days and we'll make sure their wife is happy. That is how we solve that that problem for them. What you're going to do is you're going to start testing and tweaking. So you're gonna take what you think are the 3 to 4 largest problems your audience may be facing. In our case, it was not having a place to live. And you're gonna start figuring out how you can solve them. So let's say you were going after elder people that need to move into a care home. So let's think through all the problems. Well, they probably have a lot of equity in the house and they might have to pay taxes. They probably don't know what kind of taxes to pay. So you, as a service, could offer a free CPA consultation as a gift, no questions asked. Maybe you offer free quotes for bathroom remodels if they're not quite in the position to move out because they need to retrofit their bathroom to make sure it fits their lifestyle. Let's go for another one. If you're working with older people, they're probably gonna have kids that want to be a part of the transaction. Part of your offer package could be saying that, hey, we'll sit down with not only you, but we'll also make sure that your kids know the game plan. So before we take any action, everybody in the family is on the same page on how we're going to transition you from your current home into your next home as easy as possible, and you're not going to have a bunch of looky-loos showing up to your house while you're trying to get the house in order. But the important part of this step 4 is that you're testing and tweaking. So with our Crown Buyer program, we rolled it out and we really didn't see much. We tested the free refrigerator, didn't see any results. And then eventually, after enough times, we started to get better at this. And then when we finally launched our Buy a Home for $1 program, we found something that works. And the first time we launched that, we were sitting at a base on Schofield Barracks where we were only averaging 1 appointment per 3-hour session. So basically people would walk by and talk to us and we would set an appointment. But once we launched our new offer, that very first time we set 18 appointments. So we actually had almost over a 3,000% increase if you actually look at all the numbers. And so that testing and tweaking, it will probably take you quite a few iterations to make this really, really good. And so the final piece of this, because these ideas they're just ideas if you don't put them into effect, start to put together how you can differentiate yourself for your clients and then market this, whether it's through email, call, text, email, whatever, to them. And it could be as simple as you're just on the phone with them and you say, hey, you know, we have this really good first-time homebuyer program. Can I tell you about it? That is all it takes to get this thing going, but you want to have something that's compelling and so irresistible that they would be silly to say no. Now go implement this today, watch your business explode, and leave me a comment on how it goes. As always, aloha.